cool little feature we've added to Mixture. This is available in Mixture now, so you can start playing with this as soon as you've seen this. So in Mixture we have the concept of models. Models are JSON files, basically data files, and they're inherited by pages with the same name. We're making this more flexible, so you can call any model you want from any page, and you also have a global model which every page inherits. So for the point of view of just demonstrating this new feature, I'm going to show you a page running against this. So I have an about JSON file, I have an index JSON file, I have my about page, my index page, and you can see these pages are pulling back some of the data. So I have my description there, which is also in the JSON file, and then I have a layout which has an include, and in my include I'm pulling back the title, which again is in the JSON file. So you can see it's the data is inherited throughout every page. The layout includes the page itself. So that's cool. So you can see here we are. This is it working. If I go to the about page, there's the about page. If I make a change to the JSON, that's reflected immediately. So there you go. So the update we've made is allowing you to basically call any API server, HTTP REST service that exposes JSON. And we've done that by allowing you to add an element into the settings file. So here you can see we have this item called model source. I'm going to show you using a service called Firebase. So Firebase is a really cool service that has an API and exposes models data as JSON. You can interact with it with JavaScript, and you can write to it. You can do all sorts of things. So using a service like Firebase, you can, the possibilities are kind of endless with Mixture. So I'm going to show you a basic example of how you can make this work with Mixture right now without any JavaScript. So as you can see, we've seen it loading in the models. So I'm going to switch this out, and I've got a Mixture Firebase account. So let's have a look. The right address. There we go. And I've already created some data in there. So you can see we've got Mixture, and then we've got about page, index, and all the data in there. And you can do everything you can do offline in the JSON models, you can do online in here. So I'm going to change and switch out to use this service. So let's copy that URL, drop it into there. It's as simple as this. There we go. If I refresh now, we should be using the online model, which is cool. So I can make a change online. So test, save that, refresh the page, and there you go. You can see that happening. If I go to the home page, you can see it's loading the model from there. I haven't added a description, so if I add a description, there you go. It's that simple. So it's really nice. It'd be cool to see what you come up with. And like I say, you can do all sorts of stuff with Firebase. I mean, you can use other services with this as well. Anything really that exposes its data. But Firebase is cool because you can write JavaScript and you can actually write data into Firebase. And obviously Mixture can then pull it out. Okay, thanks a lot.